Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Cooking with JJ. Ever wonder how to throw a festive party that combines two special occasions? Well, on this episode, I'm taking you behind the scenes of my mother-in-law's 80th birthday celebration, which we combined with a special extended Chanukkah celebration. Everyone had a fantastic time, and the food was awesome. Join me as I share some of the highlights from this memorable occasion and some key learnings from hosting. My sister-in-law and I collaborated to create this wonderful party, and many people got to try some of my vegan dishes. So let's head on over and get ready to be inspired. Happy birthday. It's video. Yeah.
Cheers. Cheers. L'chaim. Thanks, Janice, for all your support. Is that a video or a camera?
Video.
Oh, hi, Janice. Good to see you. Are you going to be Are you going to be in front of the video camera too? Oh, yeah,
A little bit.
That's cool. You can write your phone to me. The theater, you said? There's a movie theater over here. Are we watching the movie?
We have a lot. Janice has a bunch of dishes, like a lot of food.
Zoe said she's going to try teaching him for a few minutes.
She's got a cold. She's not coming. I don't think she is. I'd like a little bit more.
The distillery district.
Just put your name on here. So
And it's a place called Balzac. So it's an interesting name. Yeah, and so they had apple cider there, but it was heavily, intensively sweet.
Yeah.
It was like overkill.
That's why. Where's your cup?
Oh.
Like organizing parties and stuff.
Hi.
What?
Camera's fur.
The camera has fur. You can pet the camera.
Yeah,
Pet the camera.
it's actually called a dead cat. That's a technical term for it, even though we love our cat.
It was alive, and now it's not.
Where are the forks?
Smoked salmon.
Oh, so you actually smoked it?
Capers
Yeah, and they
capers
get
are my
smoked.
favorite too.
There you go.
Nice.
So it's smoked salmon, but without salmon.
So it's supposed to be soft and smoky, kind of like,
Nailed it.
yeah.
Nailed it. I like that.
Cool.
How do you make that? Is it already out?
it's like-
You already do a video?
I did it before, actually. That's the one where I did like five recipes. Yeah.
Do you have a smoker?
No, just this liquid smoke, actually.
Really?
It's just about the marinade, really.
Really?
Yeah.
You want feedback?
Yeah.
Oh, feedback from my friends Janice. Carrot lox.
Yeah.
Vegan lox. Really good. Really good. And I'm not just saying it because she's my friend. I'm just saying it's really good.
Cool. And it was your first time trying vegan fish?
Yeah.
And you thought it tasted like this? Yeah. So you notice the smoky flavor and stuff. It's supposed to be kind of similar to luck. Have you ever tried luck?
He's an honorary Jew.
Challenge number 1, over preparation. Shimmy's dry humor reminded us that we might be overdoing it with the excessive amount of food. So we should try to remember to calculate more accurately next time how much each individual will actually eat. Maybe scale back the menu a bit. Challenge number 2 is timing and logistics. Guests tend to arrive at different times, which makes it tricky to keep the food at the perfect temperature for everyone. I would say next time, once 10% of the guests arrived, we can heat up the hot foods, and perhaps We can heat up the latkes in batches.
Really? Really? Wow. But I like it so far. That's so funny. Wow. When I was younger, I didn't like cream cheese.
Have you ever had latkes before? You like the smoky flavor, and it's like more.
I can't believe it.
Is that what you record your thing on?
Yeah, right now, yeah. She bought it recently.
Two thumbs up, but
That's not what you guys will video.
Yeah, this is what she's using.
That's the one?
That's
But you know,
that.
Is it pretty new?
Yeah, it's relatively new.
you asked me to ask you, putting a problem.
Oh, that's fun.
I'll join the
And the wine was sitting on my lid, and I was memorizing.
Wait for it. Miami, ahem, Bahazman hazeh, amen. And we'll say a Shechechianu since it's the first time of us gathered here today for this extra miracle Hanukkah since we weren't able to come together sooner. So, Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam shechechianu v'kimanu v'hidyanu l'zman hazeh. Amen. Now we can sing Ma'uzor. Ma'uzor Yeshuati L'chanahe L'shabeach Tikon b'tefilati V'shem todah nezabeach V'etachin matbeach Mizracham nabeach Azegmor b'shir mizmor Chanukkah hamizbeach. There's squash, so maybe that's a bit of a
Really good.
cool. Let's see. So what do you think of the gluten free latkes?
Good, yeah.
Cool.
Very flavorful.
Nice.
I have cherries and green bread and green ads apples and then next back to the Shearson. Where was Shearson? They changed their name. And I have the name of Shearson. I don't know if it's probably right or not. I love
I hope it's recording.
There's great Ethiopian vegan restaurants that are here. One day I'll
It's really good.
It's spicy. I know spicy. I'm joking.
Good man. My cooking confirmation. Alright, there you go. I think I have more people that I don't know. I lost track of who I invited. I had a couple neighbors that were going to come, but I don't know if it's recording. Let me find the wife.
And I went, oh my God, no. I'm looking at my own profile. So then they come back. And you know, Super Neighbor, I think his name is Bob Einstein. He goes by Bob Einstein.
Yeah, almost everything we brought is gluten free. I think there's one dish that's not. We haven't brought it out yet.
What was that?
We have one dish that's not gluten free that we haven't put out yet. Okay. Everything else is good. Yeah. So much food.
Ethiopian dish. It's spicy.
Yeah, but I think you can handle it. I'm pretty sure if you're related to me, you can handle it.
I'm doing the tasting.
It's vegan and gluten free. Wow. It's very good. Good job.
Awaze.
Ethiopian?
Yeah, Ethiopian.
Nice.
Without the beef, mushrooms instead. Challenge number 3 was host enjoyment, balancing the cooking, serving, along with just trying to take some time to relax and socialize. That was quite a challenge. I was quite successful with this on my birthday party, so perhaps I can learn from that, although there are different challenges that go along with hosting this type of party. A plan for the future would be to write out a type of schedule, maybe with key moments where I can take a break, be more mindful, and just enjoy the socialization. Challenge number 4, party room limitations. We do not have an oven here, so if we ever needed to reheat something, I had to go up and down. And we don't have a serving trolley either in this party room. So that presents a challenge because there's only so much that you can carry. However, what was useful was making use of some large baking sheets, just putting several dishes on top. And Shimmy was quite helpful with the other baking sheet as well. So you liked the carrots and the yeah. Anything else like?
I don't know. I do them at night. They're sweet or something.
Yeah, those are the Tzimmes ones. Yeah.
Yeah, really good. Did you make all this?
Yeah, I made this, and the Ethiopian one, which was more of a spicy one. Yeah. So, what do you think of the? Nice. You like the spice? I tried not to make. I try to make it like medium, you know.
You made it medium because you know you would pack in more spice.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
I'll explain it to you.
Cool.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Where's that down? I told her I was doing it. Happy birthday to you. A speech? Yeah. Thank you very much. En français si tu veux. En français, d'accord. Merci beaucoup.
Merci à vous.
Pour tout le monde, à tout le monde. Toutes les souhaits, les cadeaux. Tout. Merci.
Thank you, everyone. Thanks for coming.
Yay! Hosting this party was definitely a whirlwind between the cooking, the serving, trying to find a little bit of downtime and time to socialize. But seeing the smiles on everyone's faces, enjoying the food and good conversation, and being able to celebrate this milestone occasion with family and friends just made it all worthwhile. So remember, if you like this video in any way, shape, or form, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and be sure to hit the bell notification icon so you stay tuned when a new video pops up. Until next time, this is JJ signing off. Peace out.